Alright, today we're going to try Portuguese Dark. This actually had a fig ripened earlier. Let's see if it's still there. Yep, it's still there. There we go. Nice and colorful, very floppy. Let's break it off. Kind of very lean actually on the size, very small. And dark with some speckles on it. Let's see, fairly soft and squishy. Let's give it a bite, see what it turns out like. Switch hands, let's see. Wow, not bad. The skin is a little bit on the thicker side, but jammy. Not overly sweet. A little bit refreshing jammy, I guess you could say. But not bad. Wouldn't mind eating a handful of them. And not only that, but this actually is a very productive tree. You can see how many fruits it has on it. And this is a second or third, I think actually a third-year tree that I have. I was actually surprised by the amount of production it has. But yeah, no, not bad. Alright, that's it. Out.